Okay, so welcome back to my channel. It's free. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegan Alfredo sauce. It's not my recipe. Y'all know I love Pinterest, so it will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you like these cooking videos and you want to continue to see these cooking videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. First, you're going to start by putting a pan on the stove at about a medium-high heat, and then putting the olive oil in the pan. After the olive oil, you're going to add the onions into the pan, and you're going to saute them until they're translucent, so it's about 3 to 4 minutes. And then once you've sauteed them until they're translucent, you're going to add the garlic. So before you add the garlic, this is what it's going to look like. Just move them around, and there's your garlic. If you've added your garlic, you're going to want to cook the garlic and onion mixture for about another 30 seconds before moving on. Now it's time to grab your cauliflower. You're going to add the cauliflower to the pot along with your vegetable stock, or you can use water, but I definitely recommend using vegetable stock for more flavor. So you're going to add that in, and you're going to cook this with the lid on for about 5 minutes or until the cauliflower is soft. So this is what it's going to look like before you place that lid on. You're going to cook it till soft. So after about 5 minutes of steaming the cauliflower, this is basically what you're going to have. You're going to have a soft cauliflower, onion, and garlic mixture. Then you're going to take that whole mixture and you're going to add it directly into a blender or something similar to a blender. I'm just using a regular blender here. You're going to blend the mixture on high, and I'm going to use the puree setting just so everything is fully incorporated and smooth. So this is what it's going to look like when it's blending. And as you can see, it's getting kind of stuck. So what I like to do is I'll pause every now and again and I'll mix it up to make sure everything's getting nice and blended. So don't be afraid if you have to pause every now and again. After blending for a little bit now, it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. So the first ingredient we're going to add to the mixture is vegan butter, lemon juice, soy sauce, sea salt, and nutritional yeast. And then we're going to blend it again. So here's a tip that I learned after making this a couple times. So when you're blending, sometimes the mixture can get very thick, and it's very easy to thin the mixture out. All you have to do is add a tiny bit of vegetable broth, and it's going to thin out the mixture and make it more creamy and easier to work with. So all I did is add just a little bit, and as you can see, it makes it a lot easier and smoother to work with. So keep that in mind. So this is the consistency you're going to want once you're done with your sauce. And then I pour it back into the pan just to keep it warm until it's time for me to use it for my pasta. Now this is the consistency that I personally like for my sauce. If you want it thicker, you would have added less vegetable stock. If you want it thinner, you add more vegetable stock. Here you see me pouring the sauce onto my pasta. On this day I was making like an Alfredo pasta with broccoli and vegan chicken strips in it. It was so good, guys. When I make this recipe, this is usually the pasta I use it for. You could simply use it for like a vegan chicken Alfredo, simply broccoli Alfredo, and if you're not vegan, this sauce would even be good on like a chicken Alfredo or a shrimp Alfredo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!